my people, now well done. No, the babe don't show. The babe people say they no go marry her because she's an activist. And she be this so. She don't show and she get talk and she will keep talking. Some people were telling me, it's like you talk aggressively. Sometimes you talk aggressively. My dear, the thing we see for this our Nigeria now, now aggressively, aggressively because everything for Nigeria now aggressively. Boko Haram aggressively, kidnappers aggressively, robbers aggressively, securities aggressively, intimidation everywhere. So why won't we be aggressively? Okay, so I beg, no one just manage me like that because I no go fit dey see they oppress my fellow Nigerians. The government go oppress us. Kidnappers go kidnap us. Rape, they go rape us. Fulani herders go there for farm, wait for us. APC go say they kill us for over 7 years now. So why are we not going to be aggressive? Why are we not going to be aggressive? Why are we not going to be aggressive? So I beg, make una just manage me like that. And for those guys who say they don't feel married, they don't feel marry me. Say because I be activist. My dear, you are making a mistake. I am an activist. I am fighting for favor of me and you, of this country. Okay, that is what I'm fighting for. And my dear, if you never come close to somebody, not judge the person. Not judge the person. You see me talking on social media, you see me talking on my page, you see me talking on my YouTube. By then you don't talk and now say, you don't conclude in your mind, say I go fit beat you, I go fit beat man. Mind you not go fit, I not fit. Because I have the good heart for the people, for my people, for my people, and for the Biafrans and for the Nigerians. I have good heart for them. So why should I be I can't be hot. I can't. The only thing is that I am principle. I am principle. I'm not trying to say this and one guy will come out. Marriage is not it's not about marriage. Okay? If I'm married, fine. If I'm not married, if I didn't marry, fine. If I remain single, or because I'm doing this work and I'm single, there's no problem. What matters to me is my happiness. My happiness is that I am talking against the bad government of this and my country, Nigeria. I'm talking against the bad government. So if you feel that I am not fit for a wife because I'm talking against the bad government, there's no problem. I'm okay. But at least let my name be written that I am single and I died, as my name is written in a gold, in a plate, gold plates. You understand? So that is it. Yeah. So please, if it is the first time when you come across me, make I go back to my pidgin English. If that's your first time you see me be this, I beg. If now your Facebook be this, I beg. Make you look up there. You go see one link. That link, if you touch up, the link will carry you go my YouTube. And that YouTube, when you reach there, make you touch subscribe button. Then make you touch the bell sign button so that anytime my message come, you go to see them for your phone as a message notification. So I beg make you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I beg make you like my page so that we're going to go up small. So thanks to those that say they don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, those that they comment on my page, those that they like my message, those that they share. Oh God, I love you guys so much. May God bless you guys for me. May God bless you guys so much and for your family. May God bless you guys. Thank you so much. For in Jesus' name, amen. Yes, so what it bring me come here today now talk when you say get one thing I see for Facebook. The thing not make sense. It don't make sense. This man put this thing as a discussion now. I beg. For example, now you did now. Your sister come house now. Come to say as she come to say she dey work for office. Your sister come house now. Come to say army woman come office. Who she transact? Where they transact the business? The person not come like army. He come like normal civilian. You understand? They come transact business finish. After the transaction, it's like one thing or the other lead to the other thing. She come the business so now ticket matter, maybe flight. Maybe one thing or the other, she come cancel the tickets. This lady now come wear army uniform, dress khaki to khaki, come your sister office, begin beat your sister, beat her, even pull her hair, come out. My brother, my sister, how you go handle this kind of matter? How you go do it? Why you go to do this kind of matter? Now that question I can ask you. So I beg, what do you get to talk about this matter? And I just ask you now. So I beg, make you drop your opinion for the comment section. Make you drop for the comment section. And as I talk before, I beg, make I talk am again. If na your first time when you dey see me for Facebook with this, I beg, make you look up. You go see one link. As you touch that link, you go carry you go my YouTube channel. I beg, make you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you reach there, make you just touch the subscribe button and make you touch the bell button so that anytime my message they come like this, you go dey see am. So I beg, I don't make I can't tell on. And I beg, if na Facebook for the see me, so I beg, make you just like my page and make you share my messages. The question I ask, how you shake am? You know, say army, then get power. You understand? Now, so one lady, as the thing, you go see the video now. Just wait. You see the video. This army woman, he transact business with somebody concerning tickets. I know say maybe some of you don't see him, but I know say one and see him, so I not get. As in like some kind of discussion don't follow, and I expect I discuss the things more for you. Okay, now they don't transact business finish. The business the woman can't cancel one. And I Igbo lady do this thing so. Igbo lady na do am. That is why I say, you see, when we don't finally get our Biafra, you see me, I will continue to the talk. Because even the bad government we talk about so, the people they be the bad government, like human being. Those bad government, those who they be human being, they give us the bad leadership for Nigeria, so then go see follow us enter inside Biafra. They did it. Even as we talk now, so they inside. This one Igbo lady, this one your own person, your own sister. You go to the office, you destroy computer, you dey flog am with your bed. Woman, now you dey flog like that too. Not be army boy and they flog woman like that too. This one a woman to woman. You dey speak Igbo for a way, you dey flog am. My dear, we could not talk too much. I beg, make you watch the video. Hey, Oya, show am.
Do you know what you are doing? Do you know the disgrace you are bringing to the country? Do you know the disgrace? Do you know the disgrace you are bringing to the country? Do you know the disgrace? Look at what you are doing. See what you are doing. See what you are doing. For the sake of marriage, you came to my office and beat me up. You came to my office and beat me up. You came to... Come and see you. Come and see you. Another person is I'm running. Another person that is the case here. Another person attacking me in my office. Another woman attacking me in my office.
You are very heartless. You are wicked. You are wicked. I am browsed online. I saw the ticket number. 291 naira.
I think it's the time when I drag him. She leaves him now. I need to go to the hospital right now. You came to my office, you fought me. You came to my office, you are fighting me. Because you think that you're wearing a uniform, you drag my hair and pull it. And you want to get married. No, I can't
That's right, you cancel.
Everybody come on. Everybody come. This woman beat me up in my office. You came to my office and beat me up because you're wearing a uniform. You came to my office and dragged me and beat me. Hey.
Am I on uniform?
She came to my office and any woman and beat me up. She came to my office and beat me up. She came to my office and beat me up and dragged my hair.
That's not that you cancel.
You came to my office and fought a civilian, a uniform woman, a respected country in Nigeria. You are wearing a uniform, you came here and dragged my hair. You beat me up in my office. You came to my office and beat me up. You came to my office and beat me up. You came to my office and look at my father. I was a president. You are fighting me in my office. What up? You beat me up in my office. You beat me in my own office. Hey, so my shoes are. Don't worry, she will pay. Oh, so happy on now. A very, very creepy. God, oh, God, come and see you. I don't know if we're go. What's your phone now? Your phone happen.
You don't watch the video, Abi? You don't see what happen. You don't see what that fool do. She's a fool. She is a fool. I swear. Me, when I was small, I remember when army man flogged me. If you see the way I fly, catch the army uniform, as I catch him, that's how I drag him with the body, the body reach ground. My mother paid. My mother paid. But you don't know how to fight for my rights. Don't pay. For Slima side. Slima side, opposite Plaza. Robinson Plaza for Warri. Willie, I think it's Willie Street. Where this that clinic for the where that man for the pig bone. Those that know me from where they know Warri now, they will know where at the top. That hospital, that Willie clinic, that road. Now there. At the set slippers that time. Army. Flog, say, as a people, all those people, they sell tickets. Revenue people. They expect I go buy tickets. And I don't get money. That's why I set slippers for my mommy. Now so. Now I'm a man. They go carry me, drag, they go reach that Willie Junction there. Get some man ready for that place that time. Now I'm a man carry that their koboko. As he touch me, I say, now so I drop the slippers. You see me, I don't tie me like this from beginning. When I fly for the man body, now so button, I cut the man button. They carry me, they carry me reach the man side. Go find where my father for the repair bicycle for Slima side. They carry the matter reach there. My partner day. Oh yeah, one is more thing. I'm man see them. If that man carry gun want to hit me, people go shout, hey, go kill him. That man, so they do me that time. You don't know how they fight for my right. I hate oppress. This woman, you see this army woman, she girl of some person like me that she meets. You see decency. You know what they call decency? Decency. Now when you are in the position to be decent, then you go see yourself, you dey calm. Not be when somebody won't come make you, won't come fool you. Because they go do our video together. The woman was doing video. He said, they go do me and this army man, this army girl. Now girl be this now. They mad. She carry breast, she carry toto. What did she carry? Breast toto. She join army. I'll let her know something by joining army. The video go video me now. She go experience her part of a woman. She don't get power. I don't understand. This lady not get power. He carry koboko, they flog you, female like you. Or because she be army. Because there is no way she go even go barrack. When, as long as she and the, I can army woman flog me like this, I call the quiet, they look at. So as they form, as they destroy my teeth, I can't leave you. If I, see, any high be, you go be then. I go make sure I drag her uniform with it. She don't go feel get chance to go destroy my things. Because she go outside. Both of us go outside. Me and this woman, we go outside. Forget uniform. If they beat me, can't draw my hair. I go make sure I drag her own hair. Her uniform no go back like that the same. That uniform go tear. I go put her breast go open. They go give her polo wear to go back to barrack. Now see, something must kill a man. Something must kill a man. She dey mad. She's a as in her craze they learn. Now be the insecurity we talk about for Nigeria. So this is just the insecurity. This is just the insecurity we talk about. Army again. Because you join army, you will get. My dear, if I not fit deal with you for if I catch you for streets, if I catch you, I go make sure say I lay ambush for you. I go catch you one day, then I go catch you. You don't even know those they beat you. They don't go beat you where people they stay. They don't go beat her where people they stay. Because if they beat her where people they stay, I mean, because they won't come arrest people for the area. This one no go beat her where people they stay. You see why some people if you see them when some people they don't hurt some people, you don't go know why they hurt them. This thing she do now, so she go do and now she go. This girl go cry. This one will cry. This cry. Now everybody now you go do and so she go cry. She go quiet. She use her life till they play. After they say this is the problem we are having problem in Nigeria. This is just the reason why we are having problem in Nigeria. People they get uniform, when they get uniform, they won't use it against the poor people. People they get power, they won't use it against the poor people. They do on top, they won't kill those for them. That is just the problem. Imagine this thing. this thing, ugly thing like me. Because she don't manage. Maybe she don't waka her life, waka tire. They can't carry her for army. She can't, maybe she don't date one army guy now. Finally, they can't give her she can't join soldier. They won't come. Imagine only ticket matter. Now she come like this. What about if like another thing? She will carry the food troop from army barrack, come kill the person. My dear, I don't get too much now. I don't talk finish. Now the matter be that. What do you get to talk about this matter? I beg. Maybe you drop. If now you this kind thing happen to, what you go do to this fool? What you go do to her? Me, I don't talk my own. I go wait for her. I go plan her. I go wait for her. Me and her go wrestling fight hand to hand. Don't say me and her directly for corner of bush. If I don't fit one, then I go handle her in another way. That is the truth. She get power now. She don't use any for come beat me, abi. I says she will use for come beat me. She go come abi. No wahala. No problem. So now say just let's I can't tell her now. That matter I just get to talk. So I beg, if you get army sister, do ya kanante. Life don't pass bullet and gun now. You see this life for this one. It don't pass. I get gun. I get a couple. I get this. If you get army brother, do ya kanante. If you get army sister, do ya kanante. Do ya kanante ike. Do se ike. You see this life now, this Nigeria will now so. Everybody should be very, very careful. Everybody have a means now. There is many means. As you do the evil, that's why they wait for you. They pay you back. As you do the evil, you also they pay you back. Everybody draw their ear. Let them be careful. I don't want to get to talk. So I beg, may you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and may I beg, may you like my message, share my message on Facebook. Now if they watch me, thanks and remember bless. This is Mind Feather, and I love you all.